Guys, welcome back to my space on YouTube. I am so excited to be back in your faces. Okay, this is going to be my official first video for Simply Shuga. Okay, yes, okay, if you are not seeing this face for the first time, of course something happened to the other channel. We got disabled and terminated, just like that. And because the motivation, the zeal to just come on here and give you guys good stuff to help still inform your buying decisions, to help you make better decisions when it comes to the things you apply or the things you take into your body, in order for you to glow in and out. Okay, in order for you to always look slim, thank and glam. Okay, you guys, I'm going to be trying my best to bring in or incorporate men's skincare, okay, into this channel, into Simply Shuga. I know it's not going to be all that easy, because I'm a woman, so it's easier for me to make research or to make use of products, okay, that involves women, as against using masculine products or talking about masculine products. But we're going to do something about that. This is a fresh start. Okay, so please, if you're watching this video, give this video a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button. Please share this video. You guys, I was disabled at 3,000 subscribers, and that moment when I was monetized, you guys, it took a lot of courage for me to come back here to come and film this thing with you people. Okay, but yeah, since it's a first video, I have a list of questions, just few questions that should get you started on what to expect from this channel, okay, that I put down here in my other phone, and I'm just going to quickly go through it. It says, where are you from? I am from Imo State, Nigeria. Okay, based in Abuja. Why did you start a YouTube channel? My gosh, I started a YouTube channel because, you guys, first of all, I like to talk. Okay, if I read something, if I hear something, I like to talk about it. When I know something, I feel I have an information, I like to want to share it with my friends, with my family members, with people around me who I know can relate to these things, or who these things might interest in the long run or in the short term. Okay, you guys. And so I wasn't getting as much opportunities as I wanted when I really wanted to go into public speaking and all that good stuff, into radio and TV. So YouTube kind of just provided that platform for me. Okay, you guys. So my original intention of actually coming onto YouTube wasn't even to make money per se initially, okay, back then. All right, but you guys, the flair, the zeal for talking is still there, and that is why I will be willing and ready to always go and make research or talk about things, find out informations about things, to come and share them right here with you guys. So yeah, what will your channel be about? This channel is basically going to be skincare, lifestyle reviews, exactly what it says, okay, in the theme of the banner. Okay, skincare, lifestyle reviews are what we're going to be anchoring on. So lifestyle could be my daily life, vlogs, things, lifestyle around skincare. We're just going to look at how to narrow down everything that we're going to be doing on this channel as relating to skincare, taking care of yourself, in and out, in order for you to look good and to look presentable and to look comfortable with yourself as well. Who is your target audience? My target audience is anybody, man or woman, boy or girl, child, old or young, fair or dark, oily skin, acne prone skin, sensitive skin, dry skin, anyone who wants to look good, anyone who wants to improve the way they look, their complexion, who wants to take care of their complexion, who wants to maintain their complexion, who wants to bleach their skin, who wants to anyone that is interested in anything that involves taking care of yourself, okay, whether it's from in the inside or from the outside, this channel is for you. So you want to stay locked to this channel. What do you hope to achieve with your channel? Okay, so for each and every one of you watching this video, for you watching this video, I want to help you make a good buying decision when it comes to the kind of cosmetic, the kind of product you should use on your skin, whether on your face, on your body generally, the kind of things you should take into your body, the kind of lifestyle that you should live, okay, the kind of things you should do, the kind of places you should go to, the right kind of professionals that you should consult for anything that has to do with taking care of yourself in and out. See, you cannot give what you don't have. If you do not know how to take care of yourself, to look good, to appreciate yourself, you will not be able to do it for someone else. Okay, so if you're someone who is looking to be better physically, then this channel is for you. Next question says, if you could collab with anyone right now, who would it be? Literally anybody, okay, because I have found out that there is a way to incorporate taking care of yourself, skincare, lifestyle into different aspects or niches, whether fitness, whether cooking, okay, whether spirituality. It's all encompassing. But right now, I'm just looking to giving you all the beautiful knowledge that I have garnered so far, to host the product reviews for you, to direct you to the best soaps, the best creams, and all that good stuff for you to use. So yeah, I'm not particularly looking at collaboration right now, but as soon as it comes, okay, as soon as I get the opportunity to bring anybody on here, anybody, okay, that has sense, that makes sense, I'm going to bring them on here for you guys. All right, yes. Next question says 3 reasons anyone should subscribe to your channel. From all these things I've been saying, you should know. Number one, you are going to be learning different ways that you can take care of your skin, no matter your skin type, no matter your skin texture, no matter your skin tone or complexion. You're going to be learning all that good stuff here. You're going to be entertained while learning how to take care of yourself. You're going to learn the right thing to eat, the right workouts to do in order to improve your skin tone, to improve your face, the shape of your face. Yes, if you want to have an oval face, an oblong face, there are exercises, there are things that you do in order to achieve that. Like if I want to achieve an oval face, okay, this type of face that has this sharp jawline, when I want to go out tomorrow morning, I literally can make that happen. Okay, so I can teach you all of that on this channel. So that is a reason why you should subscribe to this channel right now. And I mean, I am a sweetheart, I am a darling. Okay, you guys, I'm also going to be sharing with you not just product reviews, okay, but I'm also going to be helping you differentiate between the fake and original of any product at all that is saturated in the beauty or cosmetic market, whether you're in Nigeria or outside Nigeria. I'm going to help you differentiate between them so that you do not end up buying fake ones that are going to damage your skin. I mean, the purpose of this channel is to help improve your skin. So anything that is going to help make you look good, make you look better, you're all for it. So please hit the subscribe button below to be a part of this beautiful family. Next question says, do you see yourself being on YouTube for a long time? I've been on YouTube for a long time actually, and yes, I still see myself being on YouTube for a long time. If they don't shut down, if YouTube leaves and stays on, I see myself staying here in a very long time, okay, making all the money, influencing all the decisions, just doing all the good stuff, okay, making you happy, making money for myself to make myself happy, and just meeting beautiful people, getting to meet a lot of wonderful people here, basically, you guys. The final question says, do you have any tips or advice for all those who are just starting a YouTube channel? I've mentioned it before in my other channel that was terminated some time ago, I think last year or 2 years ago, but I'm also going to state it here again that yes, I know this is officially my first video for this channel, but one thing I always want to say is, before you start a YouTube channel, even if you have the money to buy all the gadgets, you bought all the gadgets, all the equipment that you need to start a YouTube channel, make sure that you sit down and do your homework. And now I'm not talking about writing out content ideas. No, I'm talking about making proper research about everything that YouTube entails, because I've seen people who wanted to start YouTube channels, okay, those who are even acquaintances who will beg you to teach them, to carry them along free of charge and all of that, and they are not able to keep up. So make sure you make your research, know everything that YouTube entails, the commitment, the resilience, everything that it takes to stay consistent on YouTube. If you know that it is not something that seems feasible, please drop it. You can always come to YouTube at any time. There are people who come into YouTube and within 1 month they've hit their 1K threshold, they've hit their 4,000 watch hours and they get monetized. There are people who it will literally take 3 months to achieve that or even more. Okay, so you can come into YouTube at any time when you are ready, but by all means make sure that you make your research. Okay, you guys, I'm going to end this video here because I don't want it to be overly long, which it is already seeming like it's going to be long. But yes, you guys, please support me. It's not easy to start again from the scratch, from #1 subscribers after 3,000, almost hitting 4,000 subscribers. You guys, it was crazy, but then it has happened. We are moving on. Hit the subscribe button. If there are already video ideas you have in mind of things that you want us to talk about on this channel as regards skincare, as regards the product you use, are there any ones that you have confusion about, the fake and the original? Let me know in the comment section below. Things about repairing a bleached skin, taking care of your skin, dry skin, oily skin, just bombard me in the comment section below, you guys. I'm waiting to read all of them, and of course I'm going to be bringing them to you video after video. And thank you for watching this video till the end. Till I come your way next time in my very next video. This is Shuga signing out.